I believe that the only courage anybody ever needs is the courage to follow your own dreams. I've missed more than 9,000 shots in my career. I've lost almost 300 games. 26 times I've been trusted to take the game-winning shot and missed. I've failed over and over and over again in my life. And that is why I succeeded. Yesterday is history. Tomorrow is a mystery. Today is a gift. That is why it's called the present. Don't wait. The time will never be just right. Life isn't about getting and having. It's about giving and being. If you can dream it, you can achieve it. How am I going to live today in order to create the tomorrow I've committed to? Too many of us are not living our dreams because we are living our fears. Build your own dreams, or someone else will hire you to build theirs. I've learned that people will forget what you said. People will forget what you did, but people will never forget how you made them feel. Life is 10% what happens to me and 90% of how I react to it.